development that you are doing here, Chantaman?
Good morning, sir. We are all from Tamil Nadu, sir. We are conducting Tamil Nadu State Rural Development Official Association, a mass representation program, sir. We are giving petition to Ministry of Rural Development for implementing Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes. The scheme was implemented from 2004, sir. But 20 years crossed, sir. 20 years crossed, sir. But yet the block program officer post was not established in Tamil Nadu, sir. We are giving repeated representation to the state government. Yet it was not considered. So that we are coming to Delhi, here Jantar Mandar, we are conducting a mass demonstration and we are submitting our petition to Ministry of Rural Development, sir. We are expecting the central government should intervene in this matter and the block program officer post should be given to the public, sir. Because minimum 2 crores of people benefited by this scheme. By blocking this block program officer post, the scheme is functioning very slowly. The benefit of the people and the downtrodden people are suffered, sir. So we need central government should intervene in this matter and instruct the state government to form the block program officer post immediately, sir. That's all, sir. Mr. K. Liaquat Ali from Tamil Nadu, State Vice President.
You contact any minister on?
Sir, we are giving the repeated petitions to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and our Rural Development Minister, okay. And we are conducting repeated mass movement, sir.
What's the name? Rural Development?
Tamil Nadu Rural Development Officials Association, sir.
Okay.
We are from.
What did he say?
Sir, we are requesting to give the post sanction of block program officer, sir.
Okay.
We need that, sir, because minimum 20,000 crore was every year sanctioned to state government. Minimum 10%, 200 crore to be given to the admin fund.
They didn't get any reply for that?
Sir, yet it was not considered by the state government, sir. Okay. So that we are coming here, Jantar Mandar, to raising our demands, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if the state government fails to implement the program properly, if the scheme is vested with the central government has taken the responsibility to implement the scheme, sir. That's why we need. This is the need of the hour, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir. Thank you, sir.